Meanwhile, despite the narrow margin of defeat, there are mixed views about the impact of the loss on Senator Johnson Smith's role as Foreign Affairs Minister going forward. While some believe the margin is an indication of the strength of Kamina Johnson Smith's campaign for Commonwealth Secretary General, there's also a belief that the loss may cause more harm than good. For former Jamaican ambassador to the United Nations, Curtis Ward, an international campaign loss is always unfortunate, but he believes it may be more devastating for Mrs. Johnson Smith given her role as Foreign Affairs Minister.
Because she has to interact with all these foreign ministers from all these countries that voted against her. And in doing so, in representing Jamaica, she will always have doubts in her mind as to whether or not she received their support, given that the voting was by secret ballot.
In spite of the many questions in Jamaica leading up to the election, opposition member Julian Robinson believes Mrs. Johnson Smith's efforts are commendable.
It is disappointing for Kamina and Jamaica that she lost. I think she put up a strong campaign to come so close, and we wish her well as an individual. She will still, I think, remain as our Minister of Foreign Affairs. And, Jamaica, as I said, will be disappointed, but it was a strong campaign.
Considering the slim margin of defeat, there are already suggestions that Mrs. Johnson Smith should consider running for the post again in 2024 at the end of Baroness Patricia Scotland's additional 2-year tenure. However, Ambassador Ward believes that would be a bad idea.
It will be the turn for the African candidate, to whoever that might be, to be supported by others. So I don't see how she could be successful in the future. I think that would be a big mistake on her part.